So, in this lesson, we're gonna make soup Shchi, and here are the ingredients that we'll need. So, to get started, place the ribs to the pot and bring it to a boil. When the water starts to boil, pour out the water and raise the ribs with cold water. Then place them again to the pot and let it cook for 1 hour. Next, we'll prepare other ingredients. So, slice the onion, then cut the potatoes, now crush a clove of garlic and thinly chop it. Next, slice the tomato, grate the carrot, then the cabbage, and in the preheated pan of oil, stir fry the onions. Add carrot to it. In Russian, this is called zazharka. Okay, add tomato paste and as well tomato slices. After an hour, take out the ribs and place all the ingredients to the pot. Extract the meat and add to the soup. Add as well chopped garlic, salt and pepper, and pour the vinegar. When the soup is nearly done, add fresh dill and parsley. And finally, the bay leaves. And it's ready! Top with fresh dill and parsley and 1 tablespoon of sour cream. Enjoy!